All right, let's start out with a look at our numbers at Hector. We cooled off rather quickly. It's 34 degrees out there. Feels like 30 degrees on the thermometer. That wind blowing only 5 miles per hour right now from a northeasterly direction. 28 in Grand Forks and Jamestown, 34 in Baudette. A little bit more cloud cover in northwest Minnesota, holding temperatures in the mid-30s. We have Wadena at 28, 34 in Fergus Falls. As we take a look, there's the clouds I was speaking of. Clear skies down to the south, going to allow things to cool off fairly quickly. And very quiet conditions across our region right now. Out to the west, a few showers in eastern Montana and some serious thunderstorm activity down in the Gulf Coast states where we have active tornado watches, where you see the red boxes here. Some severe thunderstorm warnings are active, as well as flash flood warnings. For us, a lot quieter weather than that, but it's going to be chilly as we set things into motion overnight. We will see almost all areas in those 20s. Look at the wind direction doing a whoop, switcheroo, about face. Now it'll be southerly as we start the day. Patchy fog will be possible as that transition takes place, so watch out for that first thing in the morning. And our model's throwing a few spits of precipitation up there in north central portions of North Dakota. Heading through the first half of our day, we'll see sun east, increasing clouds through the lunch hour out west that will yield some rain showers. And look at this, cold enough for possibly a few flakes mixing in the Devil's Lake Basin. And this is starting a little earlier than our last model run. So our western counties, a chance at that at midday. Now, as we go through the afternoon, south winds increase a little bit. Temperatures warm up to near 50 degrees in the south. We stay in the 40s north, but a better chance of evening showers on your drive home here throughout the valley, and a few flakes across our northern counties in northeast North Dakota. The wet weather does last into our Thursday night and Friday morning, and as temperatures cool, a few more of us may see flakes mixing in. As far as accumulations go, at this point it looks fairly minimal. Although if it snows for a few hours up near the Devil's Lake area, there we could see some accumulation. 28 starts your morning out, 48 degrees as we close out the afternoon with a chance of some showers. So we go from 4 until the evening hours here in the FM area. Your hometown forecast shows a chance of showers out west, 42 Langdon, 41 in Roseau, and 45 in Detroit Lake, so most of us in the 40s. And there was a tussle taking place, and Rick Craig right there to capture the action. This is Sully's Hill National Game Reserve, and thank you for uploading your photo. Here is a look at your planning forecast. Friday morning, a few of us seeing flakes, but the rest of the day quiet and on the cool side, 40 to 45 degrees. Saturday looks wet, and for some white, right now it looks like that white will be out to the west, Mike. Western North Dakota, Jamestown and the Devil's Lake Basin having the best chance at seeing some accumulating snow. And unsettled weather lasts until early Sunday. Do not forget to fall back. The clocks turn back an hour. Saturday night stays cool next week as well.
Good advice. Thanks. We're getting